Disagree by all means, but don't become rude and vulgar. Sadly, we only want to hear from those who are like-minded. We detest opinions and views that differ from ours. We're highly intolerant. If you want to grow as a person, start listening to others. Appreciate their viewpoint. In life, you often have to make a choice that's not easy. Always seek your strength and guidance from the Almighty. Don't wallow in self-pity. Don't stand in the midst of fear without trusting Him. Remember, He knows best. It'll make it easier to move on, knowing He is your back. You may think they're taking your words lightly because they're always smiling. Be careful what you say, because such people are close to the Almighty. They cry and pour their heart out at night to the Lord of the worlds. They carry a sense of tranquility and softness in their hearts. Almighty, heal our broken hearts that have been wounded by others. Guide us in the journey towards healing and recovery. Grant us patience and wisdom. Encourage us to take the correct steps to find peace in our distress. Only You have the power to change despair into hope. Amin. It's rather sad if you feel unappreciated for what you've done. But the truth is, purify your intent and do things solely for the Almighty. That way, no matter how others respond to the good work you've done, your heart is still attached to the only one who matters. He sees you. Often in life we get upset with what happens, especially when things don't go according to our plan. We forget who is in control. The Lord of the worlds has the best plans for us always. We often doubt, get upset and start questioning Him. Remember, He is the best planner. If you're often disappointed by others, you have to learn to manage your expectations. Why do we expect so much from others while expecting so little of ourselves? Have confidence in yourself and your abilities. The Almighty has blessed you with a lot. Use the blessings wisely. Everything that happens in your life happens for a reason. It's part of your story. It was written for you. What's this life but a series of tests? Take it as a lesson and move on. Sometimes you'll be knocked down, but you must quickly get up. Brace yourself for the journey ahead. You're no stranger to pain. It'll change you. But how it affects you is up to you. Some get really upset, bitter with life. Some take it in their stride, try their best to cope. Some smile and breeze through it. Let your pain have a good purpose. Let it make you better and stronger.